Good morning, student. Next topic is specific heat. Specific heat of monoatomic, diatomic, and polyatomic gases. Polyatomic gases. That's first one we calculate for specific heat of monoatomic. Specific heat of monoatomic gas. Monoatomic gas. For this, first one use a law of equipartition of energy, then average energy associated with with 3 degree of freedom per molecule. We already found out that degree of freedom for one atomic gas is equals to 3/2. Then average kinetic and average energy associated with 3 degree of freedom 3/2 kT, and total internal energy, then total internal energy of 1 mole of a monoatomic gas is U equals to 3/2 kBT इंटू मल्टीपल कर दीजिए नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल से. इक्विवेलेंट कितना जाएगा? U इक्वल्स टू 3/2 R टाइम्स ऑफ T. Then we find out the specific heat at constant pressure and constant volume. Now first one, molar specific heat. Molar specific heat at constant volume is, it means Cp equals to d divided by dt and U. Differentiate, it means d divided by d2 3/2 RT. Differentiate with x to T, capital T. Then Cv equals to 3/2 and R. Second molar specific heat. Molar specific heat at constant pressure. Cp equals to, by mere formula, Cv plus R. It means 3/2 R plus R equals to 5/2 R. By specific heat ratio. Now calculate specific heat ratio. It means gamma equals to Cp divided by CV. It means 5 by 2 R divided by 3 by 2 R, which is gamma की value 1.67. This is the specific heat ratio for one atomic or monoatomic gas. Now, second topic of this specific heat of diatomic gas. In the same way, first one we write the average energy associated with degree of freedom for diatomic gas. Degree of freedom F equals to 5. It means average energy. It means average energy इक्वलेंट आ जाएगा डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम डिवाइड बाय 2 इंटू के बी टी. टोटल इंटरनल एनर्जी. नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज टोटल इंटरनल एनर्जी. नेक्स्ट इज टोटल इंटरनल एनर्जी. U इक्वल्स टू 5 by 2 के बी टी मल्टीपल कर दीजिए नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल से. इट मीन्स 5 by 2 R and T. अगेन वी कैलकुलेट स्पेसिफिक हीट एट कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम एंड कांस्टेंट प्रेशर. फर्स्ट वन ए पार्ट लिख दीजिए यानी सी वी की वैल्यू. सी वी इक्वल्स टू क्या होगा डी डिवाइड बाय डी टी एंड यू. डी डिवाइड बाय डी टी वैल्यू रख दीजिए यू की 5 by 2 R and T, and the difference is 5 by 2 and R. And specific heat at constant pressure Cp equals to, using Mayer formula, Cp plus R. 5 by 2 R plus R equals to 7 by 2 R. Now specific heat ratio gamma equals to Cp divided by Cv, यानी 7 by 2 R divided by 5 by 2 R. It means 7 divided by 5. गामा की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 1.28 1.4. गलत, ये आएगी गामा इक्वल्स टू 1.4. This is the value for gamma, a ratio of specific heat for diatomic gas when a molecules behave as rigid rotator. When molecule behaves as rigid rotator. Now third point is specific heat of triatomic gases. There are two conditions when degree of freedom is 6 or degree of freedom of 7. When first point degree of freedom is 6 and second one degree of freedom is 7. We calculate for both types. Now for the degree of freedom 6 यानी average energy is going for 6 by 2 kb and T. Total energy means U equals to 6 by 2 kBT मल्टीपल कर दीजिए नंबर ऑफ मोलिक्यूल्स यानी U इक्वल्स टू 6 by 2 R times of T. And again first one specific heat at constant value Cp equals to D divided by dt U यानी D divided by dt इसकी वैल्यू 6/2 RT, इट मीन्स कितनी वैल्यू आ गई 3 R। एंड बी पार्ट CP specificate at constant pressure, CP equals to using Mayer formula CP plus R, यानी 3R plus R equals to 4R. Then ratio of specific heat gamma equals to Cp divided by Cv. It means 4R divided by 3R, यानी गामा की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई 1.33. For this type gamma equals to 1.33. Now the second type, average energy. Average energy इक्वल कितना आ जाएगा, नंबर ऑफ डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम से डिवाइड कर दिए 1/2 KB इंटू टी के लिए. टोटल एनर्जी मल्टीपल कर दीजिए नंबर ऑफ मोलिक्यूल से, n/7/2 KB T इंटू एन. अब KB और इंटू एन की मल्टीप्लीकेशन यू आ जाएगा यू का इक्वलेंट 7/2 R/T. Now first one CV specific at constant volume, D divided by dt U. D divided by dt 7/2 R/T. That means CV की वैल्यू है 7/2. Second one CP using Mayer formula CV plus R, 7/2 R plus R, it means 9/2 and R. Then ratio of specific gamma equals to CP divided by CV. 9/2 R divided by 7/2 R, it means gamma की वैल्यू 1.28. This topic is finished. Good morning student. Today's topic is degree of freedom. Degree of freedom. It can be defined as dynamical system or as the total number of coordinates or independent quantities required to describe completely the position and configuration of the system. This is also defined as It is also defined as total number of independent ways in which the particle of the system can absorb energy. ABS absorb energy. In mathematical terms, it can be written as degree of freedom F equals to 3n minus k, where F indicate degree of freedom. Degree of freedom. And number of particles in the system. Number of particles in the system, and k independent relation between the particles. For example, first one, degree of freedom for monoatomic gas. Degree of freedom for monoatomic gas. That means for monoatomic gas, number of molecules, it means n value equal 1, independent relation equals to 0 because there is only one. Then degree of freedom F equals to taking upon above equation 3n minus k, F equals to 3 into 1 minus k 0. It means imply करेगा degree of freedom is 3 for monoatomic gas. Second one, example number second, degree of freedom for two atomic gases. Here diatomic. That means number of molecules equal to, then independent relation exists 1. Then degree of freedom F equals to, in above equation 3n minus k, substitute the value of n and k, 3 into 2 minus k 1, 3 to 6 minus k 1, it means 5. Degree of freedom equal आ जाएगा 5 for diatomic gases. Now example number third, degree of freedom triatomic gas. In triatomic there are two types. In triatomic, there are two types. First one, non-linear molecule. Here number of particles 3 and independent relation is equals to 3. Then degree of freedom for above equation 3n minus k, substitute the value of 3 into 3 minus k 3, it means F equals to 6. For non-linear molecules for triatomic, degree of freedom is 6. And second time linear molecules. Here n equals to 3 and number of independent relation equals to 2. Then degree of freedom 3n minus k, it means 3 3 is 9 minus k 2 equals to 7. And degree of freedom for linear molecule for triatomic is 7. Now next topic is law of equipartition of energy. Law of equipartition. Equipartition of energy. This law states that in any dynamical system, in thermal equilibrium, equilibrium, the energy is equally distributed amongst its various degree of freedom, and the energy associated with each degree of freedom per molecule is 1/2 kBT, where kB is Boltzmann constant. Then the average energy of average kinetic energy can be written as half mv square equals to 3/2 kB and T. This is according for the law of equipartition of energy. That means total energy is distributed amongst all the degree of freedom which exists in a system.